Step number. 1. Grab your phone and turn it on. Step 2. Sit back. Hit the play button and watch a quick 30-second video. Step 3. Get paid via PayPal or Bitcoin. And boom, as simple as that. You just earned MON. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can earn up to $6 every 30 seconds. Just by watching fun videos on the internet. Online video streaming has taken over. Nowadays there is an overwhelming number of online video platforms, and it can be hard to resist to spend hours glued to your couch and do nothing. And I bet you've been scolded countlessly because of the amount of time you've wasted watching random videos. Now it's time to get paid for it. The good news is that it's super easy. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. So whether you're finding a way to make some quick money, or you're just trying to stop the nagging by having this as a sweet rebuttal, then these websites can absolutely help you. There's a whole bunch of options out there, but with the right websites. However, you have the potential to earn $6 every 30 seconds, just by watching videos. Let me show you how it's done. Welcome to another video on the Cash Bro YouTube channel. I help regular everyday people make money online using simple strategies and tools, so they can earn more passive income during their free time, stop struggling to make ends meet, and ultimately regain more of that precious time and financial freedom we all want to be able to invest into our families and the projects we're more passionate about. Before we get into today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to stay up to date with all the latest videos that get uploaded to our channel on how to make money online. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below with any questions, or just to let us know how much you love these body-packed videos. Done. Cool. Now let's get started. It's no secret that online video streaming is rapidly becoming one of the most popular activities on the internet, with platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu. We can watch endless hours of content without ever having to leave the comfort of our homes. And while some people might argue that this type of behavior is a waste of time, I would argue that watching videos online comes with a series of benefits that are often overlooked, and one of them is making money. Yes, there are legitimate websites out there that will pay you by watching videos. Now let me give you a quick disclaimer before we get started. The amount of money that you can earn by watching videos on these websites won't change your life. But if you're someone who enjoys watching videos online and doesn't mind spending a few hours doing it, then this can be a great way to make some extra cash on the side. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is go to gg2u.org. This is a website where you can join for free and start earning money right away. As you can see here, the website says that you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. But for this video we're going to focus on watching videos. This is an easy method that anyone can do without experience. Another good thing about this website is that you can get $1 for free, just by signing up for a free account. All you have to do is enter your first name, email, username, and password. If we click all down arrow here, you'll see that they're accepting people from all around the world, whether it's the US, UK, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, or any other country in the world. You can still make money online with this worldwide opportunity, now that you have entered all your information. Simply click here to agree to the terms and conditions, and by clicking on the orange sign up button, you can get a free $1 just by signing up for a free account. This website is amazing, because you can get paid in so many different ways. You can get your payment through PayPal every day, receive Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, or even some other free gift cards. Now, if you're coming from some of the countries where you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, because you can also receive your money through Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer, or any other payment options. In fact, leave a comment below and let me know what type of payment method is popular in your country. Once you're done signing up, you'll be brought to this web page. As you can see here, the site says, we are a very high-paying source for survey routers and offer roll offers because we'll usually give you 65 to 85 payout rates on them. By contrast, most other sites, including the huge Pocket R1s, only give their members 40 to 60%. You can also take advantage of our easy-to-do gaming offers and video offers that have some of the best payout rates in the industry. We'll credit you $1 for every 100 coins you earn. Once you reach just $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address. E-gift cards are available too. On the next page, you can start earning money right away. Down here, you can sign in just by clicking the orange button. Once you click on that orange button, you can see this. To get started earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. And once more, don't forget that 100 coins is equivalent to $1. This offer provides you with 550 coins, which is equivalent to $5.50. Below you can see that this offer is 400 points. So that converts to $4. There are many ways to earn money on this website. By doing so, You can build up multiple streams of income, but then again for this video we're going to focus on watching videos. Before we proceed with the next steps, if this video fits your interests and you are enjoying this journey so far, make sure to like this video, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. For the next step, you're now going to be redirected to your account, and you can see here, this is my dashboard on GG2U website. They give me $1 just for signing up for a free account. Once I get $6 more, I can cash out my earnings. Keep in mind you will only be able to redeem your earnings once you've made $7. So make sure to always reach that threshold. As you can see, there are many other companies with different offers that anyone can take advantage of. For example, take OfferToro, a very well-known company. Here you can also see AdGem, Lootably, BitLabs, Hang My Ads, Revenue Universe, and tons of other options. All of these companies are famous, and they offer you the chance to make money by doing simple tasks, such as completing surveys, downloading apps, or watching videos. Of course, you can click on any one of these companies to get started making money right away. So, right now if you want to start making money by simply watching videos, you can just go ahead and click on this video button right here. As you can see here, autoplay videos. For every 200 video points you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. To start earning money, first, you're going to want to choose one of these options. As an example, go to Hideout TD. Chillax. This will redirect you to a video you can watch to start earning money. To maximize your earnings, I recommend that you keep the tab open. And let the videos play in the background while you're doing other things, like working or studying. As promised here, are a few bonus tips that can help you earn 3 times more money than other people on the website. So now, when you click on the gear settings right here, I want you to go ahead and click on the lower settings, which is 240p. Keep this tab open and click on multiple videos offers, and open them in new tabs. Then watch them all at the same time in the background. That can help us to make triple or even 5 times more money, but you have to keep in mind that they also consume a lot of our internet speed and a lot of our data. Therefore, it would be a smart decision to choose the lowest playback resolution settings option. This is why we select 240p. Also, you don't have to worry because you can watch these videos whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone. With that said, please let me know in the comments below what kind of mobile device you are using to watch this video. You would use any devices you want to take advantage of this opportunity, absolutely no cost. And that's about it. Watching videos is indeed a great way to make money. And by following a few simple tips I've mentioned earlier, you can maximize your earnings. In this video I showed you how to watch videos on GG.2U for the best monetary results. I also shared some bonus tips that can help you make even more money with these websites. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, be sure to check them out if you haven't done so yet. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get you notified immediately whenever we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and together let's earn while we learn online. See you in the next video.